Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Let's keep this boat afloat like pudgies in a dream. Zip, zip, zip it tight. Safety feels just right. Zoe's red with polka dots, Harlow's pink and bright. Dip, dip, dip your oar. Let's go explore some more. Pugs go left and pugs go right, splashing in the water so bright. Look, look, look ahead. Turtles on a bed. Frogs go ribbit, ducks go quack, and the fish swim on their backs. Push, push, feel the breeze. It's blowing through the trees. Zoe twirls, her hat flies high. Harlow grabs it as it goes by. Spin, spin, spin the boat. Round and round they float. Harlow points, let's go back home. Zoe sees a happy gnome. Park, park, park the boat near the pebble moat. Zoe jumps and shakes her fur. Harlow